Krispy Kreme stock just doubled. GoPro is up. Opendoor is up. You would think these companies just cured cancer, right? But nope. It is just Reddit phenomena. Reddit doing Reddit things again. The meme stock madness is back, but this time it's different and possibly more dangerous. So today we are diving into why meme stocks are suddenly exploding again, but more importantly, what it says about our generation, our economy, and the emotional roller coaster we are all riding in this market. So stick around because I will also tell you how to actually invest wisely without losing your mind. So let's go. So what's going on? You have probably seen the headlines: Krispy Kreme, GoPro, Beyond Meat, 1-800-Flowers, all ripping. Opendoor up 121% in a flash. Kohl's doubled. So here is the kicker. No earnings beat, no groundbreaking news, just hype. From Reddit to X to Discord groups to TikTok. You know the usual suspect, right? Wall Street bets back from the dead and louder than ever. But let's be real for a second. Young people are not stupid. They know the game is rigged. They cannot afford a house. They cannot afford to buy Tesla or Nvidia stocks at all-time high. The wages are not keeping up and everything just feels out of reach. So what do? They create their own game, their own asset class, meme stocks and meme coins, where one viral tweet can make you rich or ruin you. It's not about fundamentals anymore. It's dopamine, it's excitement, it's gambling with a storyline. So if TikTok gave you 10-second thrills, meme stocks or meme coin give you 10-hour heartbreaks. But people keep coming back. Why? Because it's fun. It's fun to speculate. It's fun to gamble until it's not. Let's pause. People have lost billions chasing these trades. Just last year alone, meme stocks investors lost $13 billion in a single week. GameStop, remember? Still down over 70% from the Reddit peak. And here is the worst part. Big institutions are now in the game too. They have got bots tracking social sentiment across Twitter, Reddit, and Discord communities. They front run the hype. Retail investors are no longer playing against each other. They're playing against hedge funds with PhDs and algorithms. This isn't David versus Goliath anymore. It's David versus Goliath's AI-powered army. And this isn't just about money anymore. It's mental health, panic, regret, depression. People are putting their rent into YOLO trades and waking up broke. They are comparing their portfolio to someone anonymous username who would turn $500 into $50,000 in overnight trade. But they are not showing you the other 99 stories where it did not work out. This is gambling with extra steps. All right, so now that I have scared you a little on purpose, let's talk about solutions. You don't need to be the next meme stock millionaire. You just need to be consistent, okay? Buy assets with real fundamentals. Invest with purpose, without speculation. Play the long game. Start with index funds, target date funds, build a portfolio you don't have to babysit. And when you're ready to get serious, I recommend signing up with Webull. Right now, they are offering $50 sign-up bonus plus 2% deposit match for a limited time until August 31st. That's free money to kickstart your investing journey. Link in the description below. The meme stock and meme coin wave is back, but if you want to surf it, make sure you are not drowning in the process. Build slow, build smart, because real wealth doesn't trend on Reddit. If this video hit home, give it a like, share it with a friend, and drop a comment. What's the wildest trade you have seen this week? And remember, don't just play the game, learn the rules. Until next time, stay sharp, invest wisely, and don't forget to grab your $50 free credit with Webull using link in the description below. I'll see you in the next one. Sorry for the interruption, guys. Just wanted to let you know that I also offer one-on-one consulting calls to the individuals who are looking to discuss their financial planning, their investment strategies, their kids' education planning, their immigration moves, as well as the young professionals, because I have been in the tech industry for almost 20 years. So I also offer one-on-one consulting calls to the young professionals who are looking to have their career development discussion with me, and also personal branding as well. So if you are looking to have some sort of an expert opinion, there is a calendar link in the description below. Book a 30 minutes call with me and I will be more than happy to help you out.